welcome back to my channel. So we are going to be doing this look today. It's a beautiful metallic smoky copper brown sort of a look. So we are going to be using this palette today. It's the Nicka K Eyeshadow Palette in the shade Mocha Mix, and I've already reviewed this palette, so if you're interested to see a detailed review, then do watch my previous video. And if you want to know how I got this look, then do keep watching. So like usual, I've already done my best. Now I'm gonna start with my eyes. I'm using the Nicka K Eyeshadow Palette in the shade Mocha Mix, and I'm gonna use this beautiful light nude brown shade on my crease. So I was surprised that it's pretty well pigmented and it blends very well and it's pretty smooth. And I'm really loving this shade. This is a great shade for that flush of color all over the lid kind of a look. Next I'm going to use this pinky nude shade and use that to deepen my crease. So again, another very pretty shade. It blends beautifully and is pretty smooth. Next I'm gonna take this matte brown shade and use that on my crease and outer lid. So I'm gonna use this shade very lightly. I'm gonna use a very light hand. I'm not gonna make it dark because I don't want to make this look very dark. But so far I'm loving all the mattes. They all blended beautifully and works really well. Next I'm gonna take this metallic copperish shade and use that on my eyelid. This shade is pretty intense. I'm not even using a wet brush. I'm using a dry brush, and still look at the intensity. I'm pretty impressed with this shade. Next I'm going to use this light pinky champagne kind of shade and use that on my inner lid and also on the outer lid, just to blend the copper. This shade too is pretty intense and works beautifully, and so far all the shades including the mattes and the metallics are really impressive. Next I'm going to take this pinky nude matte shade and apply that on my lower lash line. I'm gonna apply a white kohl on my waterline, and I'm using this kohl by Wet n Wild. Next I'm going to use the Lakme Iconic Eye Pencil in the shade brown and use that to line my lower lash line to add some definition. Next I'm going to be using the Lakme Shine Line in black to line my upper lash line. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Less Sensational Mascara to coat my lashes. Finally, lashes. I'm going to be wearing the Nicka Lash Talk lashes off camera and be right back. Next up, blush. I'm using the Faces Glam On blush in the shade Apricot. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in Rose Gold. And finally, lipstick. I'm going to be using the Nicka So Matte lipstick in the shade 23M Hot Cocoa. This is one of my favorite shade of nude, and it looks really good with this look. Alright, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and found this helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hope to see you in my next video. Till then, bye.